So, instead of being quiet, I'll talk for a bit. Just because why not? And I can explain a little fun fact of cycling and muscle recruitment versus running and muscle recruitment. Because you have more muscles constantly engaged when running, your heart rate will actually typically get higher. Some cyclists are able to match of like, if you can run all out and your max heart rate is 200. Let's just say for the average Joe, 200 on running as a max. Cycling, because it was recruiting less muscles, predominantly your quads, calves, core and pelvis, as opposed to all your arms, core, neck, ankles, all that stuff. Yes, you are doing that type of stuff in cycling, but it's typically less. And so you would see a heart rate max out maybe around 180, 190. But that's not a bad thing. Oh boy, I can't get my heart rate up. If you're cycling or doing a less, yeah, that's okay. I used to worry about that and get frustrated that I could get my heart rate up to like 205 or just 200 when running, but I could not reach that in races for mountain biking. So yeah, it's really not that bad.